We used to hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about our next day. It was easier then, so much easier then. Or like that time I picked you up outside of school. You said, screw my dad, I make my own rules. It was easier then, so much easier then. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. No, we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things. We just had one of those things. Ooh. I guess I've had some things to figure out, but now that I'm done, I'm full of doubt. Was it easy for you? Yeah, was it too easy for you? You used to say that you would always be mine, but you seem to be doing just fine. Now I think about you, I just can't seem to stop thinking about you. Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us, they couldn't catch us if they tried. Now we didn't care at all about winter or spring or fall. We felt so alive, and girl, we were thriving on kisses and sunshine and mischief. Yeah, we had one of those things. Stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at nothing, baby. They couldn't take us, they couldn't change us.
Okay. Leo Adrian Linato, happy birthday. Wishing you an extraordinary birthday. Feel with everything you love. At marami pang blessing mula sa kay God na pagkaloob sa iyo dahil isa kang pabuting tao. Di nga. Ingat na lang palagi, men. Once again, men, happy birthday sa you. Alright.
Hello, men. Happy birthday. Tumanda ka na naman ng isang taon. Pero okay lang yun. Taon lang naman na dadagdag sa'yo. Yung tsura mo, ganun pa rin. Actually, bata pa tayo, ganyan yung tsura mo eh. Matanda ka na eh. Kaya hindi ka natatanda. So, happy 51st. So, malapit ka na mag-senior, malapit ka na maging dual citizen. Tatanggap ka na rin ng pribileyo ng Makati. Makapanood ka na ng sine. Ng libre. Anyway, wishing you all the best. Good health, good life, and at saka sana less stress. No, hindi na natin kailangan yan sa edad natin. So, always stay happy and keep safe. May you have a wonderful birthday. See you.
Happy 50th birthday, Noy Baliw. This is to our 40 plus years of friendship. Sana next time pag nagkita tayo, wag sa kung saang CR ng mga highway, no? More power and good luck.
Ay, tol, happy birthday. 50. Ganda pala ngayon. Ba? Tanda ka pa sa akin. Well, enjoy your birthday. Sorry, I cannot come. Medyo nag-aantap buhay pa tayo. I'm sure you're happy. At naka half century old ka na. Ciao.
Happy birthday, Utuleo. So, 58 mo na, ha? Pero, ang sabi sa amin ni Che, ang post 50th mo today. So, 51 ka na. Pero, alam mo yon, hindi bale. As long as birthday mo, yun ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Sabi nga namin ng mga nakakatanda mo kapatid, welcome to the club. Pero, huwag kang mabahala. You know, nagwa-warm up pa lang kami. Ika nga, life begins at 50. Para sa'yo, magsisimula ka pa lang sa pagiging wise mo. Basta, lagi ka lang masaya at looking forward to anything. Makikita mo, na wala rin palang pinagkaibang 40 sa 50. Be active lang at stay fit at iwas na rin sa stress. At higit sa lahat, pagyamanin both mind and spirit. Yan ang importante. Ang wish ko sa birthday mo ay good health at prosperity. Naway maging masaya ka sa araw na ito at gawin mong memorable kasi ito ang kaarawan mo. Adventures begin at 50. Tandaan mo yan. So, in behalf of my family here in Queensland, happy birthday to you and enjoy.
Maligayang kaarawan, Leo! Na-surprise ka ba? And welcome to the club! Well, ang wish ko for you is many more birthdays to celebrate, good health, blessings, and more travel adventures. Sana next time dito naman kayo sa Brisbane pumasyal. Always stay being a loving hubby to Che and a responsible dad kay Moen at Leyan. Enjoy your special day at ingat lagi. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Leo. Welcome to 50 golden years of your life. 50 ka na. So you've been living half of a century. So from that, it means marami ka na natutunan. Marami ka na journey na puntahan. So I guess who you are as a person right now is yung mga pinagdaanan mo sa buhay mo. So make sure na gamitin mo yun, whatever learnings that you learned before, gamitin mo siya as your strength, your tool para sa future. I wish you all the best, lalo na sa health mo. More alagaan mo sarili mo yun. At saka wag masyadong ma-stress, lalo na sa mga bagay-bagay sa mundo. Sa edad natin, dapat chill na lang tayo. Wag na masyadong ma-stress. Take it easy. Una-una, less stress. Wag masyadong mag-isip. Kalma lang. Hinga ng malalim. Inhale and exhale. Yan ang importante sa atin. Kasi mahirap na. Baka magkasakit sa puso. Kaya ingat-ingat. I wish you all the best. More health. Galaw-galaw. Pasyal-pasyal. Tapos, galaw-galawin natin ang ating mga pera para masaya ang buong pamilya. Charot. Anyway, I'm happy for you. Happy birthday and see you soon. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Kuya Leo. I know it's not your golden birthday because you are 2 years ahead from me. So, ito, I'm just sending our sweet messages to you as requested by your loving wife. So, my greetings is happier life with your family and contented, satisfying, and more blessings from our Almighty God. So, ganun talaga pag tumatanda, we're holding on to our faith, which is very open ka naman sa mga spiritual, faith. Because I remember one time we talk about Bible kay Brother Soriano. So, I think you're the closest sibling din. I mean, sa boys. Ako sa'yo, close ako. I think. Because I think when I was studying there in Mabua, like university life, 30 years ago, nakakairam ako sa'yo ng Levi's, tapos nakakautang ba ako? I think that time, tapos minsan nanghihiram ako ng tawas. Nakakairam naman, nag-share ka naman, mabait ka naman sa akin. Ewan ko ba, noon yun na. Pero ngayon siguro kasi maga akong na separate sa inyo, sa family, kaya hindi na tayo nag-chat na close. Pero somehow, minsan nag-text ka naman. And anyway, I'm happy that you reached that age. And syempre, sana next year dito ka na mag-celebrate ng birthday mo. Pa-burger ka naman. Kasi feeling ko payaman ka na ng payaman. Hindi ko nararamdaman. Alright, so next year, sana makapunta kayo dito kasama ng mga bata para mas masaya. Tapos don't worry about accommodation. Sagot ko na yung accommodation. Accommodation lang yun nga, pa-burger ka ha. And ano pa ba? Happy birthday and more power. And always stick to God. Kasi ito nga, pag matanda na, wala na tayong, feeling ko wala na akong ibang healingin pa. So, healthier life na lang. And that's my wish for you. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Leo! Happy birthday, Leo! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Leo! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Happy birthday, Ninong Leo. Happy birthday, Ninong Leo. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninong Leo. I wish you a happy life. Bye po.
Happy birthday! Sana ang video.
Heart. Bye na.
Man, happy birthday. Musta na kayo dyan? Miss na miss ko na kayo ng sagabal. Lalo na yung mga banding natin, yung kantahan, dart. Baka next year, baka uwi ako. Sigurado kung baka August, the next birthday mo, nandyan ako. At nga pala, pagpasensya mo na itong munting regalo ko. Binilog ko pa yan. Ha? Okay. Happy birthday, man.